Okay, folks, for example number 4, it says find the GCF of each group of numbers. A calculator may be helpful, but you're not going to use one. Okay? Now let's look at these three numbers, 105, 126, and 210. Now, when I'm looking for the GCF, I can do all three at one time. When I'm looking for the least common multiple, I actually have to do them in pairs. But that's not what they're asking for us here. They're asking for the greatest common factor. So I can line them up. 105, 126, 210, and I'm going to put my ladder around it. Now the first thing I'm going to look at, I don't know if anything goes into them, but I'm going to check 2. That's the first thing I want to do. I know 2 doesn't because 105 is not even. All right? Now I'm going to check 3. And remember, the rule for 3 is add the digits and come up with a sum. If 3 goes into the sum, then 3 goes into the number. So for the first one, 105, when I add up the digits, I get 6, and 3 goes into 6. Okay. 126, when I add up the digits, I get 9, and 3 goes into 9. Okay, so 3 goes into 126 also. For the last one, 210, when I add the digits, 2 plus 1, I get 3, plus 0 is 3. So 3 goes into 3, so it goes into 210 also. So I'm going to put 3 out here, and I'm going to multiply 3 by 35, gives me 105. 3 goes into 126 42 times, and 3 goes into 210 70 times. Okay? Now, looking at 35, 42, and 70, I hope, knowing your times tables as well as you do, that you can see that 7 goes into those three numbers. 7 times 5 gives me 35. 7 times 6 gives me 42. And 7 times 10 gives me 70. Now, looking at 5, 6, and 10, there's nothing that goes into all three of them. So the greatest common factor for these three numbers is 3 times 7, 21. All right. I think you guys have got it. Nice job. You're ready for your homework. Go ahead and get started on it now.